Beat the clock. Mastering time management. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring the phrase, beat the clock. This expression is not just about time. It's about challenges, deadlines, and success. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and how you can apply it in your everyday English communication. Beat the clock is a phrase that means to finish something before a deadline or to accomplish a task within a limited time frame. It's often used when someone is racing against time to achieve a goal, emphasizing the challenge of time constraints. The phrase has its roots in various time-based challenges, both in real life and in media. Beat the Clock was popularized by a television game show of the same name, where contestants had to complete tasks before time ran out. This show highlighted the excitement and tension of working against the clock, embedding the phrase into everyday language to describe any situation where time is a critical factor. Using beat the clock in conversation is a great way to describe efforts to meet deadlines or accomplish tasks quickly. For example, I have a huge project due tomorrow. I'm really trying to beat the clock here. She managed to beat the clock and submit her application just before the deadline. It's also used to motivate or challenge, as in, let's see if we can beat the clock and finish this before lunchtime. Beating the clock in real life involves effective time management. Here are some tips. 1. Set clear goals. Know what you need to achieve within the time limit. 2. Prioritize tasks. Focus on what's most important or time-sensitive. 3. Break tasks into smaller steps. This makes them more manageable and less daunting. 4. Avoid procrastination. Start tasks early to give yourself the best chance to beat the clock. 5. Use timers. They can help you stay aware of the passing time and maintain focus. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, beat the clock, more confidently in your English conversations and writing. Remember, it's all about managing your time wisely and pushing yourself to achieve goals within tight deadlines. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself beating the clock more often than not. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.